The next product, and the main one that I have brought your attention to here, is my Master Mixer. The Master Mixer is a beautiful rose gold. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend that now on top of the luminizer. So this is just blended in for a beautiful warm glow to the skin, a slight peachy rose gold, and that is always complementary to every single skin tone. And as you can see, blending it in is very easy. Again, stay away from this area. Stick on the cheekbone only. And then another little trick I do, again, follow it exactly like the luminizer. A little bit on the bow of the lip, a little bit in the center, and you can see right now it's getting a little bit more of a warmy dew. A little bit in the corners of the eyes. I'm doing it with my fingers now because it's faster for me. And then pop a little bit on the lid. And you can see that light reflective glow is gorgeous. It's more warm and it's more sensual. Now what I'm going to do next with this is I'm going to add it on as a shadow. It's going to blend it nicely into the skin. And again, it's got that light reflective dew, guys. This is what I'm all about. RMS Beauty is about a glow. See, it's a beautiful, beautiful, warm rose gold that goes with every single skin tone. It's always going to look beautiful no matter what your skin tone color is. Best of all, it's basically full of organic and healthy products for you. It's none of the chemicals, none of the harsh synthetics that people are now starting to wake up to, but it is really, really beautiful and healthy. I want to show you what makes this product really, really magical. You can take literally any lipstick color and you can add it into the product, and you have right away the most gorgeous, elegantly refined lip color and texture that you've ever seen. No tacky glitter particles, no sparkle, no bling, and it just adds the most gorgeous texture to any of your matte lipsticks, and it saves you a hell of a lot of money not having to go out and buy all the new ones. So this product goes with any of my products, including any of the ones that you have from other brands. It even works with powders. Believe it or not, just put your powder blush on, add a little bit of this on top, and it gives more life to the powder. Again, if you want to add a little bit more of another color, get a little bit more pizzazz, and then just put a little bit of this just on the bottom just to show you. And then I'm going to add a little bit more of the Master Mixer in here. And look at that color that it just made. Like, you cannot go wrong. It's literally foolproof. Easy, easy, easy. No stress. And the lips look full, voluptuous, with that added little beautiful hint of luminosity and refinement. Okay, now another little trick is to take any of my eye polishes and just mix that into the Master Mixer. And it just produces the most gorgeous color again. Gorge, gorge, gorge. And it gives that luminous glow. Now, if somebody has a very oily eyelid, they can very easily just add a little bit of a pop of color, a pop of powder, and it just adds that extra little bit of staying power. But look at how beautiful this is looking without having to do hardly anything. This is the most user-friendly, easy makeup